de la cocina de Rodrigo. I'm here with Tyler May, my friend.
Hola, amigos. See, I told you I forget. Hola, amigos. De la cocina. De Rodrigo.
Hey friends, so Rodrigo's Kitchen. I'm here with Tyler, just someone I found here in the bush. And we're gonna make some burgers. Vamos a hacer unas hamburguesas. Actually, he's gonna make them because that's what he survives on.
Mostly just burgers.
Yeah, mostly burgers. So keep the fire going, man. What are you doing? So this is the ingredients we're gonna use. We have unas hamburguesas.
We have hamburgers.
Pretty good burgers.
Yeah.
También tenemos
onion buns, onion poppy seed buns.
Yeah, es como pan de cebolla o algo así.
A little Cracker Barrel.
Poco de
marble cheese.
Ese queso medio marveleado.
And your fixins.
Yeah, your fixings.
Mayo, mustard,
Mayonesa,
and
mostaza,
an onion.
ketchup y una cebolla. Mexican worker. Look at Tyler attempting to flip them. Hopefully he won't drop them. He's gonna drop it. He's gonna drop.
These ones might be a little crispy. No, they're good.
Oh,
This one's gonna be extra crispy. Okay.
this is Tyler May. If you wanna hire him to make your barbecues, cook your burgers, you'll find it somewhere in the bush. Tyler really works the buns. And he pre-cut the onion.
Cheese on.
Oh my goodness.
These babies are almost ready. Man down. Man overboard.
Tyler is gonna show you how you prepare the burgers.
Some onions on Rod's burgers.
Se pones un poco de cebollita.
You like a lot of onions or just a few?
Just go good. Added some mustard here, some ketchup. Look at all those tattoos. He got those when he was in prison. That's when they started calling him Little Tyler.
Perfectly cooked, you two.
It's pretty good. Pretty rich, actually.
Nice and meaty. It's 100% grade A gringo beef right there.
Mm. Feel like this could finally be one of those successful La Cocina Rodrigo Wild edition. Found this, like I said, I found this guy here. Hey man, you want some burgers? I said, yeah, sure. I haven't eaten. So that's it. We just ate both of those burgers. Nos zampamos las dos hamburguesas. He ate 4. Se comió 4. I mean, do you really think he ate 2?
Dos.
Yeah, dos means 4.
Dos margaritas.
So yeah, from here, what's the name of this place? ¿Cómo se llama este lugar?
Chikakoo.
Chikakoo. That's a lake, huh? By the way. What's the temperature right now? Probably like +5. 5 grados. It's not that cold.
Degrees Celsius.
For us at least, for us Canadians. I mean, I'm not Canadian, but for people that live here in the north, it's not that cold. You have a bunch of fire pits like this, right? Things like that, and you have all these picnic tables, a bunch of trails from Chikakoo Lake. Rode out. Thank you for watching. Gracias por visitarnos. And Tyler, you have anything else to say?
Hasta la vista, babies.
See you later. Bye.